நல்லா ஷேக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்போ தான் நல்லா ஊறும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அப்போ தான் பயங்கரமாக கிக்கி ஏறுங்க. சும்மா நீங்கள் போன வீடியோலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ரிவர்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா காமிச்சிருப்பேன். இந்த இடத்துல தான் லொக்கேஷன் எடுத்திருக்கோம். ஆனால் நீங்கள் பாருங்கள் இப்போ எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பாருங்கள். இப்போது ஃபுல்லாக ஃப்ரோசன் ஆகிருக்குங்க. இங்கே பாருங்கள், இதெல்லாம் வந்து ரிவருங்க. இது எப்படி ஃப்ரோசன் ஆகிருக்கு பாருங்கள். இப்போ இந்த டைமில் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா இங்கே வந்து ஐஸ் ஹாக்கி விளையாடுவாங்க. Hi friends, வணக்கம் and welcome to Ini Creation.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Ini's Creations.
சாரிங்க, ரொம்ப நாள் கழிச்சு நாங்கள் வீடியோ போடுறோம். பிகாஸ் டியூ டு த COVID-19 அந்த மாதிரி, அதனால் தப்பாக எடுத்துக்காதீங்க. உங்களுக்கு ரெகுலராக வீடியோ வரும். each and like every week like 2 videos கண்டிப்பாக போடுவோம்.
So yeah, today I'm showing you how to soak fruits for Christmas cake. So I'm going to be using a variety of fruits, dried fruits, to soak in liquor. I'm using rum, spiced rum. So this is it.
This is a spice rum.
So it's already got some spice content in it. So I'm not going to be using extra spice because it will be too overpowering. So if you can get spiced rum, that's good. If you don't have spiced rum, then you'll have to add the extra spices, which will be a little bit of nutmeg and a little bit of clove and a little bit of cinnamon. So maybe just a teaspoon of spices will do to soak your fruits. As you can see, I've got all my fruits from Bulk Barn, which is very famous for loose bulk items. I just buy the quantity that I want. So that's all for loose bulk items. I just buy the quantity that I want. So that's all. It's all packaged in these small polythene bags. So that's tutti frutti. I'll open them and show you. Apricots. And this is dried orange and lemon peel. Again, this is raisins, black raisins. So this is all that I want to add for my cake. And now I'm going to show you how to soak them in liquor. So if you have a canister like this, it will be perfect to soak in the fruits. Make sure it's dry and clean and doesn't have any moisture content in it. So the first thing I'll be adding into the canister is the tutti frutti. So 1.5 cup of tutti frutti into the canister. Next, I'm adding this is maybe half cup of orange and lemon peels. This is dried lemon peels. It's also got a bit of lime peels in it, so you can see a bit green in there. Next, so I'm adding whole apricots. I'm not diced them up or anything. I'm just adding them whole because they're going to soak anyway. So this is again half cup of dried apricots. So you can see lovely color there, peachy orangish color. So I'm just adding that. And lastly, so this is again the main ingredient of any fruit cake, or especially Christmas cake, which is raisins, or sultanas we call it. So again, this is 1 whole cup of raisins, black raisins. All falling on the ground. So that's it. So I've got all the fruits into the canister, but if you don't have spiced rum, please go ahead and add a bit of spice powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little bit of clove. Oh, if you don't like spice flavor at all, just avoid the step. And also another thing is I'm not adding nuts in it. Usually we add nuts. But then again, I don't like the texture of the nuts when it soaks into the liquid. It loses its crunch. So I like the nuts to be a bit crunchy in the cake. So I'll add it when I'm baking the cake then and there. So I'm not going to soak the nuts this time. 375 mils of spiced rum. So into the canister. For the whole thing. You can just give this a mix. So that's done. So that is it. So it's as simple as that. You've got all your ingredients in, pour the liquor in. Now we place the lid. This is the lid. So it's airtight lid. Lock it in. And then we can just give this a shake, one last shake, like this. Get all that fruits coated in the liquor, in the rum. So by the time it is time to bake my cake, this is going to be nice and soaked. And the color might change a bit, but it's going to retain that all the flavors from the rum. And it's going to give a really good flavor for the Christmas cake. So I will be showing you the video when I open the canister to make my Christmas cake. That's another video that will be coming up. So that's like a part 2 of this video. So I hope you do try this method of soaking fruits.
நல்லா ஷேக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, அப்பதான் நல்லா ஊறும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அப்பதான் பயங்கரமா கிக்கி ஏறுங்க. சும்மா சொன்னாங்க, கிக்கெல்லாம் ஏறாது. ஒன்ஸ் நீங்க குக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே பேக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா போயிடும்.
Yeah, once you bake the cake, the alcohol content disappears. As you all know, when it hits the heat, it goes off. So this is our soaked fruits. So I'm going to be opening this on the week before Christmas.
மீண்டும் முன்னோருடைய சந்திக்கிறோம். Bye bye from Ini Creation.
Bye bye and see you next time.
ஆனா மறக்காம எங்களோட சேனல்ல
like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet.
Bye bye from Ini Creations.